Okay, so this is a floating track shutter installed by the Shuttershack. It uses 89mm louvers and it's got the clear view system on it, so not a hidden rod. It's got an exposed rod at the back. It's 6 panels in packs of 2, and it basically folds like this. So you just fold the louvers closed like that and hook your thumb inside and push along. And then this track, this top and bottom track, and it floats along. So this one can float along this way. And then it closes down. And it goes to there. And then the other one floats along again. Close the louvers. And it's there. And then it's got a bottom track along the floor, a top track inside there. And to move the shutter system along, as I say, it works in packs of 2. So like this. If you try and move it in this position, it doesn't like that and it can pop out the track. So if you want to move it, you need to have them in this position, and then they just slide effortlessly along, and then you can open them and close them as you wish. If you don't want them down that end, you can alternatively stack them down this end. Obviously I stack mine there because my door opens this end, or if your door opens this end, you can move them up this way, like so. So it makes it a very user-friendly system. It's very easy to use. So they're down that end now, and then closing them, just put it back. And there you have it. So this is a track shutter, 89mm, installed by the Shuttershack in pure white and hard wood.